Hey guys, it's me today, and I got a military type video for you guys. We're gonna be eating a MRE. So I got plain oatmeal with Pilot bread cracker, peanut butter, chocolate dairy shake, and dry mix. So the packaging on it is pretty good. This is the exact brand that the military uses when they're out there. Um, it's the exact same type that they have. It's got the military grade stamp on it of approval. A menu of 5, made in the USA. Still one of the things. Um, to be honest, I tried to pick the best one out there. They're not really that good, but we're gonna get it. These are super tightly sealed, so you can't like bite it open and stuff. It's meant to last like through stuff. Like there's no biting through this, so let's open it up. Alright. There we go. Alright, so let's see what we get. So you get your plain oatmeal. That shit's gonna be good. Nutrition. Ingredients: water, oats, sugar, sweet cream. Contains 2% of less gum. I've had to eat these things at my ROTC competitions, man. They're not delicious. And then you got your meal ready. This is what you put like your oatmeal in. It's kind of like a carry thing to eat it. So we got that. You got your heating stuff if you want to heat it up so it tastes good. It doesn't taste like shit. You got oh shit. My utensils and shit just fucking went out. Fuck. Utensils. Oh, my chocolate shake dairy powder. Oh, that should be good. That should be good. And then you got your King sugar packets, your free nap. That's like for your hands and stuff. Sugar. Oh, we got instant coffee. Oh, that's dope. Instant coffee. That's good. These are also great for camping and stuff. A cracker. Pilot bread cracker. That's really good. And then you got your peanut butter and your dry fruit mix. I think that's all that we got in there. That's for that. That's what we got in here. So I want to try this dry fruit dairy mix. Where's my knife at? I'm try one of these. It's not that bad. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. If you're hungry after, you'll eat it. What do I eat next? It's okay. I want to eat this. I want to try it. Wow, I made a weird whistling sound. Oh, I get 2. Oh, these are the best. Like, if I'm out there, I get these crackers, and I live for that, man. I live for it. They're so good. All right, so I'm gonna try to get just a tad bit of piece. There we go. Is all Peanut butter's not bad. It's actually kind of good. So good. Real good. Oh, so good. I'm not thinking I'm gonna open that whole thing up. I'm not looking forward to that oatmeal. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna spread this all on.